Sauce. Whoa.
It's Tsunami Timo.
It's your boy Tsunami Timo.
Tsunami Timo.
#Tsunami Timo.
What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Tsunami Timo, and I'm back at it again with a new product review. I picked this up a few months ago, and it just came out. So I went on iFreeze Rims. I ordered what's called the Lay Down G. It said it would be available in late fall. So I've been waiting for a few months, but I didn't want to make too many complaints because it did say it was for pre-order. So I've been waiting patiently. I just got it in the mail today. I'm super excited to show you guys what it is. So here it goes. This is the packaging that it comes in. Super professional. Very nice. See the style? It says Frizz Reduction Styling Glove. And then it says the Lay Down G right here. And if you guys seen Poppy Blast's video last time when he spoke about this product, each one, they're all different colors. So each one is going to come in a different color depending on what you chose. So if you chose the blue, it'll come blue. If you chose yellow, it'll come yellow, green, vice versa. So that's the package in the back right here. It says, peace to all my fellow wavers and individuals who are passionate about maintaining healthy, silky looking laid down hair. No matter what the texture you may have, we all want to lay those stubborn frizzy hairs down after our long brush sessions. As a fellow waver, my wave journey has been just like yours, using all the methods available in this lifestyle we're chosen. And along the way, I felt a need to give back to the wave culture. So whether you're elite, have waves, or just the beginner, the Lay Down G will take you to the next level. So that's what it says on the packaging, right here on the back, like I showed you. Okay, so then let's open it up and see what it looks like. It's gonna come just like this. Okay, so it's two gloves, one for your left hand, one for your right hand. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. It look kind of like an oven mitt to me, but it's a great idea. I mean, it's a good thing that he came up with, because not a lot of people would have thought about this. But it's similar to the plastic bag. So we all know the plastic bag method. It lays down your frizz once you get done brushing your hair. Everybody uses it. I've used it. I've done a review on the Wave Glider previously. That's a great product as well for laying down frizz. It's a little bit, it's like a plastic piece. You guys seen the video I made. I really enjoy using it, but I also wanted to review this product. So let's check out the front. So this is the part that's going to be like the plastic bag going across your head, right? You can see the stitching on the inside through here. And this plastic is actually not like the plastic that you'll see on a plastic bag that you're going to use to do the plastic bag method. It's actually a little thicker. And me being a straight hair waver, I'm going to tell you guys if this is something you should get if you're a straight hair waver as well. So let's try it out. I'm just going to put on one just to test it out. Yeah, that's how it looks on your hand. I'm not really sure how big your hands are, but it fits my hand pretty well. Now if you have like Odell Beckham hands, I don't know if you can get your hand into this. But for me, it works pretty good. It fits good. It got a little bit of space so you can pull it down. Let's try it out. It's been super hot lately, so if you're a straight hair waver, you know when your hair gets wet or you're sweating, it like literally takes out almost all your waves. So you have to wait till your hair dries back out for you to see them again. It's super wild. But if you're a straight hair waver, you can understand. So far, It's looking pretty good, my guy. No complaints, no complaints. And you're gonna use it, obviously, the same. If you use the plastic bag method, you know you're gonna use it the same way that you brush. Very simple, and it's a great idea, man. So if you want to get you one of these, go to ifreezerims.com. He has an Instagram and he has a website, and then get you one of these. It comes with two, any of the colors. And since I've been waiting for such a long time because I was waiting for it to come out, and I pre-ordered it. If you go right now, I'm almost certain that you'll be able to purchase it, and it will come within a few weeks, maybe even a week. Because he mailed mine, I believe Friday, either Friday or Saturday, and it arrived today. So today is Thursday, so it wasn't even a week that it took. So I'm excited. I'm gonna be using this all day today. And it's just a great product, y'all. Like, check it out. And it's super easy to use. Dope packaging. Quick shipping once it was released. Since I pre-ordered it, quick shipping. And it's a super dope idea. So if you get a chance, go copy one of these at ifreezerims.com. It's your boy Tsunami Timo. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment if you want to. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button, and I'm out. See y'all next time.
Sauce. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.